Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video we will see how to design the lamp what we see on a screen. Okay, so this is how we are going to design this lamp, and I have also put a bulb inside it. You can see, you can see this one. Okay, we can do it zoom. Okay, and we'll also put a light in the lamp. Okay, and overall rendering faces, and we can do texturing also, that we will be seeing in the coming classes, coming videos. Okay, so today videos we are going to make this table lamp, okay, with the help of Blender. Fine, let's see how to do that. So first what you do, let's say I'm going to delete this one, so I'm pressing first to select all objects in this. So press A and then X and delete. So all got deleted. So what I will do now, I will just go zoom. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take one reference image, and with that reference image I'm going to create a table lamp. Okay, so by using spin tool and your polycut tools. Okay, these are tools I'm going to use, which you already know, we have learned in the previous videos. So I'm adding a reference image as a, let's say, a table lamp I'm adding. Okay, and adding. After I'm going to scale this image, because I definitely want my surface to be my lamp to be a little good scale. So now after this I'm going to add one more object, because without an object we cannot move to tab mode, edit mode. I'm at edit mode right now. I'm going to delete this face which I have taken, the object. Now I'm going to take a polycut and I'm start marking the points now. So to start from the bottom or the top, anywhere you wish. So wherever the curves are there, we need to put more points there, so that it will come little sharper. It will come sharper over there. Okay, so if you do not put more points in the curve, what will happen? You need to work more on the shaping the figures. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to put more points in the curves. So mark these points. So in the curve I'm putting more point, as you can see, so that your figure will come accurate. So I'm just marking it randomly and fast. Okay, like this I'm marking. That's it, I am done marking. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to hide this image. Take an image. I'm in the image right now. I'm going to hide this one. So as you hide, what you have, you'll get this edges. So I just need to click on the spin tool, and after I'm going to rotate this one to 360 degree. As this comes, you just click 360 on this, right 360 from the keyboard, and you can see your vertex. Actually we have done with the help of vertex. What I will do, I'll just take edge now. Okay, I'll just go back again and I will just rotate again. Sorry, when I'm selecting it, what is happening here, that I need to select only the edges. No, you select all the figures now. Just select these faces like this. After selecting, you have to click on a spin tool and you have to just rotate the figure. While you're rotating, click 360, right 360 on the keyboard here, so it will do a complete rotation. Right, now you have got this figure. After this, what you will do, if you want to add more and more figures, more and more loop cuts, you can do that. So I'm setting myself to a side view by pressing 1. Okay, and when you're adding a reference image, make sure you're setting yourself to a side modes. Okay, the side views by pressing 1 or 7. 7 is the top view, basically either 1 or 3 you can press. Okay, so we'll take it to the side view, then only that reference image will come in a proper flat form. Otherwise you need to rotate the image and you need to set according to your port view. Fine. After that I'm going to add a bulb here. So how I'll do that, So what I'll do, I'll just shift and I'll move my cursor towards that point where I want to put the bulb, and shift image and UV sphere, and to scale this one little bigger. Fine, very good. Again, set back yourself to the, and make sure you're adding more and more surface to this. So shift control L, and modifier you add, and then you generate the subdivision surface and just increase it. This same you can apply for this also, control L. So these things we will see it basically, I'll just separate these things because I want to do separately. I want to do this one. So I'll select this one and just select P. So now it's this one also, select, control L, select, then press P, and then like that you can do the selection. That means this is a different object and this is a different object, and you can scale it, color it differently, whatever you want. Okay, now again you set yourself to a view mode. Now I'm going to add a circle basically. So I'm going to take a circle and scale it. Okay, as you're done scaling, you need to bring this circle towards Z axis. So press G and Z, so the circle will move downward. That is this much height is okay, and scale it a little bit more, I think required. Yes. And after that you need to extrude this figure, and by the Z direction, extruding, done, and then scale it, and we're going to reduce it. Perfect. So you'll see your figure is almost ready here, right? The only thing what you have to do is, your structure of bulb is somewhere it's there, everything is there. Now I'll go to, so before going to the tab mode, what I'll do, I'll select this one, I'll go to edit mode, and I'm going to add some some loops in this. Basically this figure is not looking that good, so I need to make the figures little sharper at points. Okay, so the sharpness is not here, it's not sharpening here. Okay, it's not in the edge, the edges are not proper here. So what I'll do, I'll just press Control R, so click here, and you add a proper edge. Yes, done. One is done. Second, again you have to add Control R. So by pressing Control R, you can play with these things, and then just shift this one. Yes, the edges has to be proper. Control R. Perfect. Now here only also we have to add, so Control R again. Take a mouse basically there where you want to add the loop cut, so R, and just slide it because I want it horizontally. So move your mouse slowly here and there, and you will find the circle. So yes, and move it down, down. Yes, here also. So I'm taking the mouse there and press Control R. Yes, then move it down. Like that you can now sharpen your edges by adding the loop cuts. Here also you need to add, so press Control R again. Yes, looking good now. Here also one I have to add, so Control R again. One more I need to add here, I guess. Control R. It's okay. Fine. Now the edges are looking sharper, right, compared to the previous one. Here I can see my bulb is not in the proper place, right? So what I will do, I'll just select this one and I will just move it towards Z. So it's Control L I have to press. So select everything and then G and move it towards Y axis. so I'll just do it in the middle. Perfect. Now your bulb and everything is in the perfect mode. So now I will select the face and I'll go to object mode. As I'm in the object mode, you can see now my face surface is looking a little sharper, right? And I apply the smoothing of surface, so I can reduce it by just reducing the number. Reducing the number, you can make the surface little rough. Okay? And I'll select this ball and I'll add a material to this. And what material I'm going to add? I'm going to add emission surface for this. So surface would be emission. Just right. Now let's go to running mode and see how this emission working. You can see the emission is working very nicely. Okay. And as we were in the modifiers, the levels I will increase, so object will no longer look. Go here. Okay, now let's go to render mode and we'll see our table lamp is illuminating very nicely, right? This is how you have to design your object. Getting? So I hope you like this one, table lamp. And if you want to do texturing, again you have to just click this part. Let's say this part you're clicking and add a texture color on it. Go to material, I'll click on the material after selecting the object, and I'll add some color. So like that, let's say I'm going to add a red color to this. Okay, you can do that. And this one you want to change a color, you can again go to same material mode and add a color for this also. So let's say what color you want to select and what material you want to keep. So anything, whatever you want to do, you can do. Fine. Smoothness and everything you can increase. Okay, this is how your table lamp is looking like. Okay, fine. I hope you like this one. Thank you for watching.